double cheeseburger. Well, there are two classics that never go out of style. Hold on. Wait. You're assembling a serve plus turf McDonald's hack, which must make you a menu hacker. Yes, the Surf Plus Turf, available only on the McDonald's app. You get free medium fries and a drink. Oh, someone opened the app. I build one immediately.
You are not just watching a performance. You are witnessing a culture reborn.
This is an evacuation notice for the city of Portland. Those in Portland must evacuate due to a fire growing out of control in result of a freight train derailment near West 3rd Street. Do not wait for door-to-door notification. Use US Route 27 and evacuate north at once.
Buy tickets now at shenyun.com.